Hello everyone! I received this portable camping table to check out and see what I think. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, the first thing I wanted to point out is that it comes in this carrying case and it is only 2 pounds. So very lightweight and very easy to carry. Okay, this hasn't been 100% put together because I wanted to show how easy it was. First, it does come with installation steps, so you can just follow that guide and it was pretty simple. And a lot of it has these brackets here where it just snaps in place. So this basket just snapped here, and then on the top, it's going to snap in these little areas right here. And then you're going to have your table all put together. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to test out how much this table can handle and how much weight can be put on it. Okay, I wanted to show what would fit on this tabletop cup holders. Obviously it can, no problem at all. But who doesn't have a cup that they always bring with them? One of these cups. And it does fit in there. So simple to carry that it's not a problem to bring. Okay, so as far as weight is concerned, I went ahead and put 15 16-ounce water bottles in this little ice chest. And then I placed it on the table. And as you can see, it has no problem holding this amount of weight. So on the top, it states that it can hold 88 pounds. And on the very bottom of the basket, it can hold 22 pounds. Okay, so overall, I really think this is a cute table that you can bring up to just about anywhere. If you need something to lay on a table or just need somewhere to put your drinks. I really hope this review was helpful, and I hope y'all have a good day.